Hello, my name is Florin and I'm going to show you how our product 123FormBuilder works within Google Workspace Marketplace. The app was already installed by our sysadmin, so I'm going to open it from this menu. It's basically creating a 123 account using the email address of your Google account. I'm going to start with a new form. Let's choose a template. We got about 2000 templates depending on your needs. Let's start with a new form, consent form. Good, this is the editor. It's drag and drop, no code. You just have to add fields from the left hand side on the form, or if you click on a field, you can change its properties, like, I don't know, changing this to name. If you want to reorder fields, you just drag and drop them in a different place. Good. You can style the form to match your branding colors, and there are plenty of options to choose from depending on why you need this form for. For the purpose of this demo, I'm gonna add a Google Sheet integration because this is what our product does with the integration with Google Workspace Marketplace. We basically send data automatically to a Google Sheet that has the same name as the form. So let me change the form name first. Good. And go to integrations, where I have the Google Sheet integration, which I'm gonna add. I need to connect it with a Google account. I'm gonna choose this account. There are different permissions that are required. We basically create the sheet automatically in your Google Drive and add each entry as a new row. That's it. The connection is done. Let's go to preview and look at the form. Good. Let's fill the form with some dummy data. Let's Florin again. Good. And the dummy signature, and I'm gonna click the send consent button. The message has been filled. Perfect. I already have the Google Sheet created in my drive, and within the sheet I have the data that I just entered. Any other submission will go as a new row, as I just said. So this is the form. You can publish it anywhere, you can put it on your website, you can send the link directly to the people you want to collect data from. You can choose to have your own domain, and many other options available within our advanced form builder. Thank you.